Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here with another product review of a bag that I purchased off of Fendi. So I'm going to show you the bag that I purchased. I really like it. I've used it maybe 2 or 3 times, but I am really enjoying using it. And I just want to share with you guys that way if you guys are interested in purchasing this bag, you can do so. So let's get into it. So the bag that I purchased is the Fendi mini camera case bag. So I'm going to show you the box that it comes in, and then I'll go over all the details and I will try it on so that way you guys can see how it actually looks. So this is the box that the bag comes in. So it's a really pretty yellow Fendi box, very sturdy, and it has the Fendi name on the front. So when you open the box, you're gonna get the bag in a really pretty dust bag. And this is the bag. So as you can see, it has the brown and black coloring on it. I'm gonna go over the specs with you so that way you can have an idea of what material and things like that it's made out of. So this is a rectangular mini camera case. The crossbody strap is adjustable and detachable. So this is the strap itself. This is taking it off, putting it back on. And then it has about 9 different holes that you're able to adjust the strap on. I have it on the 3rd hole here. It also is made of glazed fabric with the FF motif in tones of brown. It has the Fendi stamp patch and black leather detailing. So this is the patch here and this is the black leather detailing. And I'll go in close so that you can see it. So the length of the bag is 18.5 centimeters. If I use a ruler, that is about 7 inches in length. And then the width of the bag itself is about 2.5 inches in width. So it is a very spacious bag. You're able to fit a lot of things inside here. So I'm going to show you guys what you can fit inside the bag itself. So I've used it twice, but I always tend to put in the filler that they have inside the bag just because I want it to maintain its shape. So anytime I use it, I take the filler out and then I put the filler back in whenever I am done using the bag. So I'm going to just take it out. And then I have several items here that I will show you how it looks while putting it inside. So I have obviously a wallet. So this is a small zip around wallet. So I'm going to put this inside the bag. I have some blotting powder with a mirror, put that in there as well. A face mask. So as you can see, there's a ton of space still in there. I have a hair tie, never know when you may need that. I have some lip balm. I have my eye drops because I have dry eyes and I need to put these on pretty much daily basis. So I'll throw that in there as well. And then I have my lip gloss, which is the Fenty Beauty Glass Slipper. I love, love, love this lip gloss, and I actually have it on right now. It's a little bit running off, but it's okay. So I'm going to throw that in there too. So as you can see, everything's in there right now. I'm also going to throw in my keys and my cell phone. And then I'll show you guys how it looks zipped up. So I have everything in there. Everything's in there pretty comfortably. Still able to put several items if you'd like, but I'm going to zip it up now. And this is how it looks zipped. So it maintains its shape really well. It has just a small dip here, but that's because I don't have anything here to fill in that gap. But as you can see, the leather is very shiny, very pretty. And I love that it has like the Fendi logo, but it's not too like crazy and it's not too bold. And it has the logo here as well, the little emblem or the little stamp. But it does fit a lot of items. As you can see, you can probably put some more items if you want to bring lip liner or lipstick with you. You can also add that in here if you want. So the bag itself, I'm going to show you right now how it looks on. going to use it as crossbody, and then I'm just going to show one shoulder so that way you can see. I'm 5'5". I have it on the 3rd hole so that way you can kind of get reference. So you are able to adjust it a lot because it has about 9 different holes. So this is how it looks like this. Crossbody. I like to wear my crossbody bags kind of like in the front, not necessarily on the side, but I will show you. This is how it looks on the side as a crossbody bag. And then this is how it looks off on one shoulder. So you can see it's kind of a little bit below the hip, like that. So now pricing. So the price of the bag right now online is $13.50. I actually got it a little bit cheaper a couple of months ago for $12.90. I believe I paid $13.75. So it's about $60 more than what I originally bought it for. But I would say it's worth it. I don't like to spend a crazy amount of money on bags, but I do enjoy buying side bags because it's kind of like the thing that I like. Some people like shoes, some people like makeup, things like that, but I enjoy small side bags because I feel like they last a long time if you do take care of them, and I feel like the value of them increases as well over time. So if you want to resell them in the future, you can always do that as long as you take care of them. But like I said, I really enjoy this bag. I really think it's spacious. It's really able to fit all the essentials and everything I need without me having to worry about asking someone, can you hold my cell phone? Can you hold this? Can you hold that? It's really able to fit everything. And it's really cute for work, for going out. You can kind of use it for multiple occasions, so you don't have to worry about switching up your bags too often. I tend to switch up my bags, but I think it's really convenient. I love that it has the black interior. That way you don't really see if there's any stains and things like that. But obviously it will last you a very long time if you take care of it. And I think that it's definitely something that if you are into bags and you're into buying bags, then I think this is a good bag to purchase. Just because there's smaller bags that cost a lot more, and this bag is a small bag, but compared to other bags that I've seen, that you'll get a smaller bag than this for like $2,000. So I want to thank you guys. If you have any questions regarding the bag itself, please leave it in the comments down below. I will also link the product description and a link to the actual Fendi website so that way you guys can see whether or not this is something that you want to purchase. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.